This video demonstrates the installation process of a hollow rotary table. Firstly, secure the servo or stepper motor to the rear of the hollow rotary table. Rotate the cross roller bearings to align the locking ring screws with the holes. Then tighten. Table mounting. Install the hollow rotary table onto the work surface and secure it. Connect the servo or stepper motor from the underside. Use a torque wrench to tighten the locking ring, then mount the fixture table. Now power on and test to see the actual effect.